Del here, and I've got a wonderful product in my hands. It looks good. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm assuming I'm going to tell you ahead of time it probably tastes good. And I'm also say that it's healthy. And I'm going to tell you a little bit later on of what it prevents. So here we go. Give me a taste of this. I was right. It tastes good. It's carbonated, but there it is. And we call this Siciliana. Siciliana. That's what this is. Here's the back with all the statistics, which nobody seems to ever be interested in. And it's got a fun front part there. I'm going to take another taste. Now, what I was going to say is that everything's nice about this thing, and I was going to say maybe it even prevents kidney stones. Now, isn't that something? Just take a couple of sips of this, no more kidney stones. Think of the alternative if you don't drink this stuff. Remember I said maybe. You could even put a slice of, since this is La Siciliana, maybe a slice of Neapolitan ice cream in there. Maybe a slice of maybe vanilla bean or vanilla ice cream in there as well. So this is an adjunctive kind of deal here. You can drink it alone or drink it in addition with something else. Maybe have like a float or something. Have a scoop of ice cream floating around in it. Can't get enough of this. There it is. It's nice and cold too. So as I said, I would like to try this out with a scoop of ice cream. So lo and behold, it's happening. I'll set this here, set that there. Got a nice scoop that can handle ice cream that's been frozen. And we have some ice cream. 15% fat, and which is lower than some. Now this isn't a scoop dimension there. It's a little bit more of a sliver than a scoop, but I'll try that out. Give it a second to swirl around in there and get mixed up. Give it a little shot. Not bad. So here's the product again. While we're bringing out the ice cream, there was a discussion about that, how I used to like fat-free ice cream, but that health-wise, it's possible that fat-free was at the expense of other things. Sometimes I add be more sugar or more of this or more of that. And I also said that there was a popular brand of tube-style potato chips that they had a fat-free option, and that's no longer available. And there was apparently some sort of element in there that precluded them offering that product any longer. But I also noticed that other ice creams, the sat fat was up to about 30%, and this is half of that. So either way, it would make this taste good. Yeah. So while you're watching the Super Bowl, you can be having yourself an Ailiana with just a regular scoop of ice cream, or and not shaped in a scooper. But since this ice cream is still pretty hard, it's not shaped as a scoop, as a perfect scoop, but shaped more like a sliver. That's it. That's what I'm looking for, a sliver. So here we are with a Siciliana with a sliver of ice cream. Yeah, baby.